Hey everyone, Dan Dog Crypto here. Pzen, still stressing. I went over the fundamentals and the importance of continuous compound interest. But here we still are very early. 1,123 holders of Pzen. This is a lifetime opportunity. Why? Because this is an early opportunity. Volume has not entered into Pzen as of yet. Once more people start discovering Pzen, what will happen is they'll understand the importance of anyone that understands a financial instrument. Pzen offers that. It's a financial vehicle. It's a ownership of. When you purchase Pzen, you're owning a piece of Pzen Web3 and the redistribution. We see that the markets, what's been happening, so a global market cap of $1 trillion. So as money is entering into the crypto space, and ultimately, yes, you have price appreciation, but you want to have a vehicle that allows you to also earn passive income and price appreciation. What does that create? A store of value. So Bitcoin at 20,000, it's a perceived store of value. You have Genesis wallets that have entered into the space. What is happening here is the proof of work is key. The system, the miners. With the crisis that's happened with the energy price, there's going to be more consolidation with the miners because of the costs to produce a block. So there's consolidation, big money entering the space. You have Fidelity offering cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, putting them in retirement accounts. There is just so much activity behind the scenes that's occurring. We have Ethereum that the merge is occurring today, and they're going to be merging with the beacon chain and go from proof of work to proof of stake. So as the markets consolidate, am I very bullish? Yes, I am bullish on the whole crypto market. But when I look at opportunities and where I'm going to put my earnings to work for me, Pzen was the best that I believe to generate income, but also what it created was a multiple. Once we look at what it's done, I'll put it in and we can take a look on how Pzen is a 10x. Pzen. Well, that's why I came out. Yeah, Pzen from where it started. So now we're in September on the 13th. So that's a 10x. But that's short term. We're still early with Pzen. There's no whales. It was a fair, organic launch. So when you have your earnings and you want to invest, and I'm looking at the crypto market, Am I bullish on the whole crypto market? Yes, I'm projecting 6 months, 12 months, 13 months into the future. And once I look at that and I understand what is my present value of the money that I have, well, what will it be worth in the future? Well, if I'm not putting it to work, so naturally a year or two into the future, it's going to be worth less. So I'll put it in assets that appreciate. So I'm looking at assets that will give me the best appreciation. Well, if I in something, well, naturally I can dollar cost average down, or if I'm in something prior, I'll dollar cost average up. So that is key, because if not, what happens is your money's idle. And sometimes the noise prevents you from doing things. And in this case, when you take a look at the whole market, whether I am bullish, and I've been bullish many times, and people like to trade the market, and if you're leverage trading, it takes a lot of experience because you can get burnt. So, yeah, you can possibly do well, but it's very tricky. But if I look at the whole market, even though I'm very bullish on this whole everything about it, what's happening. So, but when I'm going to invest, I'd look at what gives me the best possibilities, and am I early, and does it potentially have a use case? So Pzen was the opportunity, but still is, because I'm still seeing the future upside. So that's just short-term price appreciation. When you're in a price positive, it's always easier to make decisions. So Pzen, with the whole tokenomics of how it operates, with the continuous compounding effect, it becomes a financial vehicle. So price appreciation naturally will occur because it will do what it said it will do. And your wallet, anyone that is in Pzen today and continues to have ownership of the Pzen ecosystem, their wallet truly is a Genesis wallet. So I'd encourage you, think twice, but of course it's free will, you do what you choose. But I would stay with Pzen. I believe there's a strong future because this truly is a financial vehicle that will truly create wealth. The whole mechanics with Pzen on the redistribution pay it forward system, where it's all incorporated into Pzen, even though, yes, you're seeing your coins, but there's so much that's occurring within there. And these price appreciations that occur, the accumulation of new coins that your wallet automatically receives, well, then you have the burn mechanism, your ownership of a very rare deflationary token, a financial vehicle creating compounding earnings, is a revolution. And as the community continually builds and grows and starts to understand the value that it brings, and that it's storing wealth, it's creating wealth, I believe Pzen is going to not only price appreciate, it will create life-changing events for any of the early adopters, and understanding the opportunity that was in front of them, even though entering now is early and in the future will be early because of the redistribution system that's set up to pay it forward. So if I'm purchasing anything, I'm dollar cost averaging into Pzen, because truly Pzen, based on what's happened in the whole market, Pzen was the best purchase. So I would encourage you, do your homework, do your research, but Pzen is truly an opportunity of a lifetime.